Yeah, as you can see namuntlha hi le ka Malamulele la liya 4-way stop la tanihileswi mi swi vonaka kwalano, and then hi ta va hi kha hi sungula from site ra complex hi ta ngheni hi yona, and then hi kha hi vona ku endlela yakho yi va yi kha yi fambisa kwini. As you can see, unfortunately map wa mina la ni swi loko foni yi nga overheat, loko yi overheat yi nga cancela everything. Unfortunately tindhawu to tala swa endla ni kha ni nga ti tivi, so ngo mi ti tivaka ku ha problem mi ta mi kha mi ti vona kwala ni teka mepe kwala ni kha ni ku kunjhani Blanca celebrity ya kwala ka Malamulele, yin'we ya ti-celebrity ni ta kwala ka Malamulele kwala va Manyangatsi Mpfukini vo Heavy Xivambo va tele va ka Malamulele, everyone va ka Malamulele Mpfukini xana na mi xeweta hinkwenu hi leswo. So of course it's a tradition la ka Master T lava swi tivaka ku ri each and every year loko lembe ri sungula hi endla a video hi kha hi advisa our artists. It's a tradition hi endla a video hi kha hi advisa our artists ku ka lembe leri va nga swi endlisa ku yini, way to improve and stuff like that. Hayi yo complex ka Malamulele ha swi endla swi normal, it's a tradition tanihileswi ni nga ku swi vuleni kwalano. So namuntlha of course hi ta hi ta hi yona video kona laha ku hi planning ya mina na swilo swi cinca ku swi cinca vhele. Of course hi nga ta vulavula hi Benny Mayengani, hi vulavula hi vo Hosi Ngome the Post, hi vulavula na hi vo Dr. Joyce Rimani, yeah na vo Nomonde ya this year Nomonde Roger wa fita na hi ku va a katsiwa da I think ndlela ya kona ku yi twiseni kahle, I think ta jikala swi nga ta ze swi ni bayisa ni nga swi twisisi nto kayo, but I think there is a way amahlweni, I think there is a road amahlweni which we can use here, so let's use the road le mahlweni. Yeah, leswi hi nga ta kha hi swi endla sweswo. Unfortunately Sivara hi nge yi katsi, Sivara na yena a fike yi va hi kha yi katsa because I have some good advices for him, na ti-advice ta kahle swinene ta yona, mara unfortunately hi nge yi katsi because yi sende an email yi kombisa ku a ya ha lava ku katsiwa ka channel, which is strange guys. Leswi nga strange swinene a ni nga swi expectangi swi nga ta from Sivara press rhangani swilo swo fana na sweswo. So unfortunately yona hi nge yi advice. Yeah, I'm shocked as you, I'm shocked as you, so I was surprised ku Sivara leswi hi va ku the intention ku nga ku hi endla yi va yi kha yi va relevant na yona ke, so leswi yi tlhela ku va yi hi pfalela ke what's happening. So swi lungheni. Yeah, hi nga endla xinjhani a hi sunguleni hi yena Benny Mayengani hi kha hi ya mahlweni because Mr. Post na Nomonde hi fike hi va linka, you get it, va fike somehow va kota ku va va ri linked. As you can see na caves ya kona hi leyi laha hikwala. Yeah, so in terms of his side ngopfu ra yena ra Benny Mayengani leswi ni swi vonaka laha yeah, well, of course, no, okay, now that the projects started in 2023 and 2024. I think Benny Mayengani for now, production is sharp, it's good. Often again, of course, I continue such a year. Of course, Eva Arkara Atira, Naslavusikis. We all know Eva Katera Naslavusikis. So I think production line is sharp that way. I'll continue to China in and Sla. I'll continue to China in the Legas and I to second by a pause. Yeah, all right, I are inside there. I nga swi twisisi ku hi fambisa kwini ndhawu kumbe ku vona ku tale ngopfu vanhu and stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, as I was saying, I think Benny Mayengani for now is good. Yeah, very in police Chaban local municipality in this area here. This area, very police Chaban municipality. That is on the border because now you can buy since I don't have a map. So I think production line, you good, you sharp. I think the production line is very good. The thing if I can continue such a share, Benny Mayengani advice if I can continue on this and the such I'll continue a chai, and then Dr. Joyce Rimani, of course, he very mixing and mastering. Vashabu that way. Leswi nga ta swi vula ku va sharp that way a swi continue sweswiya ku nga vona ku cinca hi vo ma 2024 I mean 2025, so swi nga ha twisisi ku endleka yena a va continue sweswiya va right va sharp that way. Loko ni kha ni langutisa na mhaka ya vona va ri sharp that way, I'm sure ku na n'wina mi ta pfumelela na mina. So khombo ya vona yi va yi kha yi tirha nhlavu o lava ku pfuniwa kwalaha ka mixing and mastering so ntiso hi laha a va kha xota kona lo ni kha ni n'wi langutisa miswa lo welcome to so la very magistrate as you can see magistrate offices on our right total magistrate offices hi ndhawu kona da as you can see so yeah I think in overall hi leswo yeah swi fambisa sweswo a ha na yin'wana advice because khale mi nga ma hleketa a hi ku laveka mpfuno a hi ku laveka mpfuno but not anymore ku Dr. Joyce Remaniko so swi lo advice va nga hambana mkhulu because yi nga khoma mali so like it's police station on our left hi ndhawu maora mhaka so sweswo leswi mhaka yi nga tshamisa swona sweswo yeah leswo even then hi ndeka Dr. Joyce Reman okay in terms of Dr. Joyce Reman production line is sharp hi nge complain production line it's very good the production line is very good the issue nga kona it's his writing misho sweswo ra Dr. Joyce Reman a ri kahle nga vula tani ku hi laha hi xota kona in overall mla hi le testing la eka malamulele la ku ndwana swa ti-learners and stuff like that na hina loko hi te hi ta endla learners a hi te hi fike hi ta endla kwala hi la endliwa kona da as you can see so hi endliwa da la kha endliwa kona swo wun'wana hi nga va ford hi nga ta famba hi ford na tichireta ka malamulele even ze mi fika mi kuma ku trip ya kona a yo ta ku onheni and overall so swi nge hi tsakisi lomu fika mi kuma ku trip a yi ta ku onheni a hi ti ku onheni ne so yeah hi kona da yeah so yi xo teka lyrics loko hi kha hi yingisela his project ya 2024 laha hi nga fika hi kuma ku na a lag hikwalaha ka ti-lyrics so he was very weak when it comes to his lyrics it was not good hi swo swi nga endla ku mi kuma ku yi luza na le ka Hosongo Mr. Post because his lyrics were not good ha swi hundla his lyrics were weak so swi endla ku mi kuma ku na project leyi fika endla yi va weak because the lyrics in overall hi tona ti khoma project ha munhu mo fika mi kuma ku nkarhi wun'wana a nga yimbeleli swo if the lyrics ti ri sharp I mean like the beats man I'm sorry if the beats ti nga ri sharp ne loko munhu a fika yimbelela swona swo boha project yi fika yi va good hi leswi fika mi swi twisa sweswo mavona mhaka leyi that's how it works so la hi le testing la eka malamulele as I've said hi laha hi endlaka kona so hi leswi ni vulaka swona sweswo even if the beats ti nga va bad if the lyrics ti va ti ri sharp swo boha project yi va kahle hi leswi Hosongo dinga wena swo vhele hi ta tlhe hi ya ka Hosongo of course hi ya vulavula hi swona but hi leswi leswi ni tisaka swona sweswo so Dr. Joyce Reman advice yaliyo maybe a va zama ku va sungula sweswi January va zama ku va sungula va endla tinghoma sweswi because maybe loko va sungule early ngopfu somehow va nga kota ku va tsala like in a proper lyrics on time ni kota ku teka kahle no teka kahle swin'wana so probably va nga hetela maybe va kota ku va va tsala ti-lyrics ta sharp if va sungule the project on time ku vula nje I'm just saying ku va suggestion hi ku mina a ni tivi ku va nga swi improvisa ku yini ku va tsala ti-lyrics ta good ku ti-project ta vona ti kota ku va ti ri kahle so that's it mkhulu the reason yo va na project yan'we yi nga va sasekangi laha i timhaka to your lyrics were weak a ti ri weak hi swo sweswo ku na ndlela yin'wana leyi hi nga ta hlamusela swona but they were weak a ti ri weak so you have to improve on that hi leswo a ku na swin'wana hi nga ta swi vula other than that so hi leswi va fike va improve swo sweswo so this area here ni vona board ya ku yi tsemekini I'm not really sure what's the name a ri swi kombi na ku holo liya vo chava mandla ti-video kona la a yona na ku I mean holo liya inani i chava ndla yena ti-event kona a yona leyi this hall ni vona ku nga na vito malamulelo something community hall something I think it's a community hall and stuff like that I think la chava andla ngopfu na his events here I think community hall so swi fambe layeni swi kahle I think swi pake kahle because loko hi famba i hindzetela swilo hinkwaswo kwala layinini kwala ndleleni so yeah I like how things I placed here loko i swi kuma ka straight line na xibedhlele a ni chekini earlier on na xibedhlele loko ve hi khi hi cheka hi xi kuma ka straight line so everything swi va swi ri ka straight line so yeah hi leswo so hi yona inani advice ya kona yaleyo yo mkhulu I improve the lyrics hala ka production line I think it's good I are good production line vula ntiyiso I are good so mi fika mi kuma ku loko se hi ya ka inani ka loko se hi yingisela tinghoma like in terms of lyrics hi fika hi kuma ku a swi ri weak that way mahiko yana mhaka leyiwa hi leswi I think mkhulu hi hetini hi yona advice ya kona eka wona yaleyo so ya va contribution na hlava kha chaya even na tin'wana tinghoma like va nga ta ngopfu sound liya khale liya so the goal here i ku sound liya khale a ha ri ku yi laveni ngopfu so va nga kota ku va kha va wherever possible va kha va hi cinca ya camera leyi ta yi kumbe ku tala hansi I'm aware of it it's because tele ngopfu no ndlela ya ku la ku fambeki straight ka the main road ka the main road a ku fambeki straight so swi fika swi vanga an issue vona mhaka leyi so there is also another area very in Hola it's home affairs like a home affairs on your left so everything swi kwala ndleleni vona ku tsala ku home affairs so everything swi ri andleleni so ni vona swi ri sharp that way so ya ni nga va nyika that malamulelo for sure swi ri ka ndlela yin'we ku na swibedhlele swi kwala ti-police station ti-home affairs so yeah it's a good start vo xota molo ntsena kahle I think swilo swi pakiwe kahle ngopfu so then at the stalls as you can see on our left kuna the stalls lava vanhu va kota ku xavisa mara ni vona ku a va talanga vanhu lava xavisaka la ni vona va nga talanga vanhu lava xavisaka on the road I'm thinking why kumbe to durha guys kumbe ka yona stalls why like the stalls leti kumbe ka ti va tshametele so ka nga xavisi vanhu to tala ho hlayela to talanga ni hinde yin'wana ya madlekenyana laha and then ni vona swa the wardrobe and stuff like that so ni vona ku a ku na vanhu vo hlaya lava xavisaka da hi leswo so what's this area so leyi area ni vona yi nga na vito I don't understand some sort of sports ground or something swi komba ku ri some sort of sports ground ha kun'wana va kona vanhu lava nga ku tirheni and stuff like that but not everywhere and then say okay ka Hosingo Mr Post yeah in terms of side ra Hosingo Mr Post yeah xo sungula hi nga kwini a hi sunguleni hina ni production kuna xin'we xi rhasaka laha hi minyana hi famba yana a hi sunguleni hi production line I think the production line ya short production line ya Hosingo Mr Post ya shorta and I'm thinking what's happening because ntwina kusuka ka 2022 hi ku 2023 and 2024 production line yi fike yi chika leswi hlamarisaka u yi fike yi chika njhani ku ri a ku ri the same producers man twisanya loko aka ha cha ti-producer thing so ni vona swi fika swi va confusing ku how is that possible like swi fika swi ve njhani ma production yi fika yi chika that way because loko hi languta 2022 yeah production level everything mastering a swi ri top and then se loko hi ku 2023 a hi vuri no vula ku a yi short in production line a ni vuri na ti-mastering ku a swi shotini laha so a swi fike swi shota laha mara lexi ni hlamarisa i ku is the same producers and same company leyi yi endlaku mastering swi hetela swi va swi ni confusing ku what's happening ho ri ku hi hala hansi nyana at least ku na vanhu vo hlaya ni vona ku na vanhu vo hlaya nyana but yeah in overall I think there are more stalls laha ko nga ri na vana and stuff like that so I'm thinking va kha ku endlekeni with this production I don't understand so ka 2024 yi improve nyana swintsanana production hi nga swi vula ta but still loko khi hi langutisa hi vona yi ri too reduced ni nga vula tano yi reduced ngopfu so ka Hosingo Mr Post problem sweswi i production production. Mina mi swi tiva ku as master ni nge ti ni ta tsakise ku ba mavoko la, even then ni mislead the artists. So video ya Mtsako yi fike va yi ri honest to the core. Na ni kha na n'wi tsamaka yi fike va honest to the core. So this is one section of the production, and there is a problem. And talk about what's happening, DJ Gift. And my question to them, why 2022? Those beats are the way too different compared to 2023 and 2024. It's because a theory. Those beats are the shaviwa. Man, for the beats, they are the shaviwa. Antu nga hlamusela njhani lero aku byeriwa ti-producer to karhi tin'wana ku or ti-beat makers rather u ti chaya ti-beats and then u ti chaya ti-beats letiya va fika va hlawu mi nga ma hleketa ku ve na a controversy laha van'wana va nge ti a va hakeriwangi and stuff like so if that was the case now because hi nga i tshemba that theory ku yi true because why loko hi cheka from 2022 ya ka 2023 and 2024 swi ka swi cinca too much. Vana mhaka leyi hi swona swi nga endla ku tshuka u na theory liya of course ya Malambani mi nga ma ehleketa kha ku loko track ya Malambani the beats original a ku chayeni a Mujambatani hi swona swi nga endla ku va na that theory. Vana mhaka leyi because loko fika hi cheka from 2022 hi ku 2023 so I mean 2020 hi ku 2021 hi ku 2022 a swi va swi chike ngopfu swilo swi hlamarisa ku endleka vona mhaka leyi so hi tin'wana ta theories leti hi fike va hi khe hi ti langutisa tete. So I think these theories, the fact that guys, I think there's a problem. Believe me, I think there's a problem. No problem. You carry about material at the beat. La, I mean, of course, I believe somehow, kungava kuvena a handle yo kainga vocal very acknowledge one at the beats. You know, it's of course, got 2020. And then said, hey, well, of course, you can check out in 2022. That project there was Mr. Boss. It's just a theory. I the facts. Theory. It's not facts. Or should you go real? And someone will show me as a fact and can stock I fact. And it's a theory. Once it's a theory, guys, it means they don't take a theory. So now something there is something. That thing. Show me a crane there. Yeah. So it's just a theory. So theory guys are developing if it know command the same when got develop a theory Mr. Postner no more than sure need developing it's because Ashkash command go one munango mera so anga ba the best day kurken malembela manga hunza aba ushela too much. So there's a theory you develop a section, we check what we have. We say checking we try to conclude. So this looks like another complex, maybe a Kalinya. I think it's another complex. Probably it's old and stuff like that. So the name that on my right, I could do and stuff like that. If family can further would know. I would do how can this wins and if I can further everything. My Tivan doubt of fanality. So look at late texture rank, I think this is a texture rank. Because everything should like a straight line. So yeah, but I like how things are placed. The whole decision about yes. I'm not blind. Apologies, I'm not blind. So the whole decision about also not really. I'm way too impressed. Yes. I'm buying a pause, yes. Before that takes la and stuff like that. Blind. So this it takes a rank left here. There's a takes a rank. So another complex. Lenga in the left I keep and stuff like that. Yeah, guys, go busy blind. I'm for dig, no for dig. Yeah, I too busy. Yeah, I go busy, like extremely busy. extremely busy. Yeah, so let's go. This one show mikisa na mokule and stuff like that. But yeah, your taxi rank on our left here. Doesn't come on nothing there. So yeah. So as I was saying, Mr. Post, if I can improve our production line, if possible, they can get more producers. And they will, because I'm not sure what's happening with the production line. If possible, they can also get new producers. We're going to assist and then the Shinga sort of wants, and if his producers were honest about in 2022, yeah, Singapore not that way. Logo Kotaba open it and what happened? Yeah, I think that might help. That might help. Various areas, study shop and stuff like that. So you should Mr. Boss, they should have a production line. Kutsala the blind. Think selling, Kutsala Sherka. Go for Kamkumoko. Those Shinga Famsana production line, so Shukamkumoko. Shinga and Sonongo. No, Makaliwa. So that's it. Even then, of course, obviously, we're only gonna know more on the. So we that project, of course, year 2024. Short to Halaku, yeah, I short and no more. Yes. I got die most down. So short to Hala, that production, for Asher shot the. Such a rock shoot in Sarid, one quick, let's have like work with the build the artists. So I thought hopefully maybe that's got a build and not that I'm gonna do artists, we're not artists anymore. So it hopefully maybe Stavatan. But other than that, such a no Mundangarcon, Tanishan advices shown, I mean, at least I figure Vavla no moon, the Sukurashi Fafangarunga, Bosch Fafangarunga. Unfortunately, should come now, Mr. Post, I do what the quarter decide to get this at the show. Should that take us then? We to convince otherwise. Should that take us then? So, I read, guys, I read. And they, and they in that line. And they, so Marco, you want to come in a very well, I don't forget to do section. Ashtavaka, of course, logo, what if I will Lana, none on the roads. Because their production, air gas, this is the production, air gas, Avacota connector, Vanda Sulu Mele, my one. And then Kivaka no more, no more the situation in I'm trying to think. Correct approach here. So first of all, Aviga strong. That's the first thing. Yale, I should be vegan. I know I'm gonna house. Scotch, we don't care about the house. We don't care. That's why Tragania can flopping and go and go to know yes. We're going to lovely or maybe about convincing. The similar flopping. The song flop. So the similar flopping. So like Malamelos hospital man, I'm sorry. And I go hospital. I need to Shilunga there's actually need to hospital man. So Shilungu in a sports on our left here. So everything's good. No shot the boxing ring. I'm to you queen. Boxing ring. Unless if you along the winner. To go on a board maybe I want to know what Shanda equal at this line almost everything so much local line. Not something boxing ring. I don't check out my Pampa left here. I don't longer remember that well. Antonon got some. So no Monday, first of all, Aviga Stonga. As a group buys a buys. Aviga Stonga. Cola Alavega go. Voila. Aviga Stong. You should congratulate Gashbula, Aviga Stong. Even then, for now, well, let's need the show. You come to post it, you are doing Salel. You are doing composer. So, Shlogo, and got assume Kashitsonga, and gonna a capability you Sala, I guess. I mean, like you compose and thief. And as you that way, little, we can say maybe someone to compose for her. Langa Kala the industry. I think so. I think I'm gonna I think nga ndla tano because mina a ni tivi ku na Galitos here, as you can see on our left. Fundo hi zoom in. Kuna Galitos on our left. Tani swona ku ya the video yi nge vi that the best guys because mixono a ku tele blind a yi nga teki kahle. So apologies for the shake. N'wina mi to yingisela hungu leri a hi khe hi ri vulavula of course. I think we fika makumu hata hi kuma boxing ya koko because I feel like hi nga va se hi fika makumu ku hi line ya hina le. I think hi fika makumu hi nga hi fika makumu and I size heta kahle kahle leswi a ni swi lavisa swona so hi le Galitos here. So yeah, so it's yeah, a nga kuma na munhu n'wi compozela if that's the case mara hi fika a vuya ka Xitsonga, that's it. Or vele a tlhela ka Hosi Ngome is the post. Oh, to swi yini dokodela wa mina ku na some doctors here at the background, I mean at the back ya ndhawu like hi famba hi yona. A problem sweswo ku a tlha a tlhelela swa swi ri kahle ku nkarhi wun'wana swilo swa hela loko swi hela completely a va ha swi koti se manjheni completely hi to swi yini vu ngo endla sweswo ku a zama ku va a nghena ka xigaza and then from there a tlhela a kuma someone a nga ta n'wi compozela or a composer loko ri impela hi wa swi kota because we don't know if ka Xitsonga wa swi kota na. Swa house yes we agree a nga kha swi kota in terms of side ra house but we don't know ka lerin'wana side swa house swi komba a ri good hala. I think she's very very good look here langutisela so we don't really know so swi ta vonaka ku swi ta endlisa kwihi. I think in overall the video is done. A hi nga plananga ku va hi tlhe hi eda wun'wana here so in overall I think everything has been covered leswi a hi lava ku covera swona a vona mhaka leyi hi leswo kambe sweswi we are going backwards. Very best build wanna build hardware. Yeah, the hardware kona ni vona the hardware ta completely different compared to Guyana le na ti shop ta the tiles ti different. Ni vona ti ri different swinene hopefully swilo swa straight ku hey ni nga hemba ku va ti va kha ti hambana and stuff like that so yi helerile guys yi helerile sweswi ni lava ku hi tlhe hi tlhela ka that other road hi fika hi ri khoma ku video yi va yi hele kahle ntsena. Other than that we are done hi swo sweswo le Hollywood mo rhandza ku beja yi kona ndhawu ya n'wina laha kambe mani leyi is it mathebula ni tshama hi kha yi hi Chiefs la ku Chiefs ya mi dlaya mani is mathebula or ma ni rivalaka so yi kona la ndhawu yo beja ni ta fayiwa yi kona Hollywood la and PayPal a mi swi tiva khala leya PayPal leyi yimela yi fambisana ngopfu na vu-rich nyana so na vu-rich lifestyle na vo na vo veri royal so sort of swi fambisana na vu-royal so na khala leyi yi va yi ri na quality yo karhi so ku zeni swi endla un'wana loko mi vona that building mi twa na swin'wanyana because i intention ya vona ku khala liya yi fike yi va attractive in some sort of a way so hi ropa leri humaka ro leri hi ya ta ro sweswiwa and then we're going to cancel hi vuye hi le ka xibedhlele hi vuye hi ta crossa le xibedhlele so hi ta komba swona hi va hi helerile ya hi leswi ni rhandza ku cancel guys ku va n'wi mi sapotaku ya mi le ku sapoteni swinene na channel yi le ku kuleni swinene I can see that so ni nga tlhela ni vula ku ni kombela ku continue kha mi ni sapota guys hi ku vona ti-advertisements swi very very important because that's the only way ni va ni kha ni endla mali hi yona kwala ka channel ma vona mhaka leyo that's the only way swa donations a na ha swi lavi swi na swivulavulo ngopfu that's why na swi tlhela ni swi khansela swi na swivulavulo ngopfu I remember ko munhu wa ko se ni n'wi blokile a ni mi na bloka guys a ni swi lavi swa xikhomela loko se ni va na problem na munhu na n'wi bloka ni huma kaya I remember ku na un'wanyana so a ta khomenta thyaka a hamba a nyikela kwala ka channel a fika a hetelela a khomente thyaka se mi kuma ku loko se ni hlamula leswi swi nga hlamula swona a ni byela hi ti-donations so like a swi ri rhongo ngopfu guys a swi ri rhongo ngopfu leho lexi a nga swi hlamuserisa xiswona so laka donations for now it's cancelled lava nga lava ku ni sapota hi xiviri wow loko i na Wi-Fi u kuma ku maybe le ntirhweni or a wu le ku ndleka nchumu maybe na 2 devices wa pfula video mi nga ri ku voneni just ku va yi rhana laha yi tlanga ti-ads hi yona the best support mi nga va ku mi kha mi komba van'wana na ni vhele it's up to munhu ku i lava swi endlisa kwini se i nga swi kota ku va i fika i pfula video yi rola that's the biggest support and yaleyo yi va yi ri genuine because a wu zi yi humesa nchumu ko va ku loko ri i na Wi-Fi ya unlimited yi va yi kha yi tlanga and stuff like that wena mhaka leyiwa so hi leswo we are done ku hale ka malamela a mi tivi munhu ku ze ni teke straight ni nghena straight no tiva hi few people ya va kona va ni tivaka but they are very few so hi leswo loko ri a mi nge zanzi subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe